Hello, in front of me I have ALCATEL OneTouch Go Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To wake up the screen, simply press the power button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, and you can scroll through this menu by swiping left and right on the screen. Select the watch face you like to use, then tap on it to apply it on your watch, like this. You can also customize the watch faces a little. To do it, let's open the watch face menu again. Once you open the watch face menu, you can swipe up or down on the watch face you selected to change the colors, as you can see. Like this. And once you're done, simply tap on watch face to apply it, like that. You can also change the watch face via the phone app. So let's bring our phone. On the phone, let's open the OneTouch Move app. In the app, let's tap on this icon right here to open the device page for our watch. Wait until the watch is done syncing with our phone. And once it's done, you should see the watch face option. Tap on it. And here we have the list of watch faces, as you can see. Now, select the watch face you like by tapping on it. And here we have some customizations. We can change the style of the clock, as you can see. We can also change the background, like this. And also you can select your own background. To do it, simply tap on More. It's gonna open the phone Photos app. You can select the folder, for example, camera. Select the photo. You can crop the image, basically move this frame around, like this. Then tap crop once you're done. And here we have a preview of our watch face. Maybe let's change the color to something more visible, like this. And once you're done customizing the watch face, simply tap on the check mark to confirm. It's gonna upload the watch face to our phone or other watch. And once it's done, you should see the watch face on your watch, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.